Namaste to you all in Shana's Life, Shana's World. Like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Today we are going to talk about the big cats. So there are so many cat species that are big in size, but the term big cat is typically used to refer of any member of the genus Panthera, namely lion, tiger, leopard, snow leopard and jaguar. So, except the snow leopard, all the species are able to roar. The first big cat is the tiger. The tiger is also the India's national animal. There are 9 species of the tiger: Bengal tiger, Siberian tiger, Sumatran tiger, Caspian tiger, Malayan tiger, Indo-Chinese tiger, South China tiger and the Javan tiger. The Siberian tiger is also called the Amur tiger. 3 subspecies of tiger have gone extinct, which are the Caspian tiger, the Javan tiger and the Balinese tiger. The tiger is the largest of all the big cats. A tiger's tongue is so sharp that if they keep licking you, it can scrape off your skin. If a tiger licks a dead animal, it has been seen that the skin, fur, even the meat scrapes off of the animal. A punch from a tiger can just kill you, at least break some of your bones. A tiger's cubs are born blind. The newborn cubs can't see anything at all. They only follow their mother's scent. Since they can't see anything, most of them can't keep up with their mother and die because of hunger or cold. Tigers love to swim and play in water. Tigers also have stripes on their fur as well as their skin. Most of the cat species have stripes on their fur as well as on their skin. Tigers can live up to 25 years. Our next big cat is the lion. The lion was once found throughout the Africa, Asia and Europe, but now found in Africa. And the last remaining Asiatic lions are found in Gir National Park in Gujarat, India, which was created to protect the lions. Currently, there are approximately 350 to 400 lions in the Gir National Park. Lion babies are mostly called cubs, but they have other 2 names, whelps and lionettes. Lions can go without water up to 4 days, but they need to eat every day. A female lion needs 5 kg of meat a day and a male lion needs 7 kg or more. A lion can run at a speed up to 81 km per hour. There's actually only 1 species of lion and 2 other recognized subspecies, which are the African lion and the Asiatic lions. Lions are also found in white color, which is rare. Only about a dozen of white lions exist in the wild today. They are mostly found in South Africa. The earliest recorded sighting of a white lion was in 1938. Our next big cat is the jaguar. The word jaguar comes from the indigenous word jaguar, which means he who kills in one leap. Most of these big cats are found in Amazon rainforest and the Pantanal, the largest tropical wetland. Jaguars can grow up to 170 centimeters long, not including their impressive tails, which can be up to 80 centimeters long. Jaguars can be mistaken for leopards, but you can tell the difference by their rosettes. Jaguars have black spots in the middle of their rosettes, where leopards don't. They also have large, rounded head and short legs. There are also black jaguars, but black jaguars and leopards are called black panthers. So the black panther is not a different species, but any big cat which is black is called black panther. Jaguars are excellent swimmers. They often live near lakes and rivers and are confident swimmers. Jaguars have more powerful bite than any other big cats. Their teeth are strong enough to bite through crocodiles and hard shell of turtles. Their bite is even more powerful than a tiger or a lion. Our next big cat is the leopard. There are 7 subspecies of the leopard, the African leopard being the most common and the widespread. The others like the rare Amur leopard, the Anatolian leopard, the Barbary leopard, the Sinai leopard, South Arabian leopard and the Zanzibar leopard. Leopards can be found in sub-Saharan Africa, Northeast Africa, Central Asia, India and China. Leopards can run at a speed up to 58 kilometers per hour. Leopards can see 10 times better in the dark than humans. Female leopards protect her young cubs by hiding in dens. Leopards can roar, but not as loud as a lion. Last, but definitely not the least big cat is the snow leopard. The snow leopard is also known as an ounce. They are native to Central and South Asia. The global population is estimated less than 10,000 mature snow leopards. They have very thick fur to keep them warm. As I mentioned earlier, snow leopards can roar. They are called snow leopards, but they are more closely related to a tiger. Snow leopards have wide fur-covered feet, which acts as natural snowshoes. They are very well camouflaged. Their long fur and less distinctive markings make them look like snow. They are long jump champions. Some have been known to jump up to 9 meters, 6 times their own body length. Snow leopards prey on blue sheep or bharal. They also eat hares and mammoths. But these beautiful animals are being killed by poachers illegally for their beautiful fur, which is not good. This is also a reason why they are so close to extinction. People are trying to save these animals, and I really hope they can. That's all the facts about the big cats. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about the big cats. If you did, like this video, share. If you're new, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell for our future videos. That's all for this video. Bye!